Hey, it's your girl. Hey, what's up, everybody? What's up, divas? What's up, divos? And this video is being sponsored today by usbags.ru, where you can get all the fashionable accessories, sunglasses, purses, belts, sneakers, shoes for a fraction of the cost. If you love designer, but your budget really don't call for it, then you definitely want to check out usbags.ru. Today, I do have the Speedy bag, really nice bag. It does come with some great leather. It does come with 2 straps, which are removable. We have the gold hardware strap right here, which is removable, and we also do have the leather strap, which is also adjustable. So on the sides, as you guys see, it has 2 straps, and this will allow it to be adjustable. You just want to unsnap the strap and then just slide it up like so, and then do the same on the opposite side. So if you're a girly who likes to wear your purses either over your shoulders or on your shoulders, then you can do this with this Speedy bag right here. It also does come with a purse accessory. Now inside, it does have a magnetic closure, but inside it does have a pocket with a zipper, so that way you can keep your stuff safe. And this is a great bag because you can fit your phone in it like so, and you can also probably fit your house keys and some other accessories if you choose to. This one is $75 on the website. They do offer free express shipping, which takes about 3 to 4 days for your item to come, depending on where you live, and the items do come through FedEx. So this one is a great color. It's a great price. I do like the detail of it, and if you love designer bags, but like I said, your budget doesn't call for it, then you definitely want to check out bags. Also, we have this one right here, which is the satchel. It does come in its standard brown color, which I love, the rich brown and tan. This one has a belt or a buckle closure at the bottom, and on the side it does have an adjustable strap, adjustable leather strap. Now inside there is also a pocket, and in this pocket it does not have a zipper, but this is the standard original design of how the bag is, and you can also fit your phone in this one as well. Now, depending on the size of your wallet, you may be able to fit that in here as well, but this is also great quality, and this bag is $68 on Us Bags. Now, the last item is some really, really nice earrings, and I've been eyeing these to have a great quality to them, and this is them right here. Really great quality. It does have some nice weight to it, so it's not hollow, and they're not easy to destroy or smash. This is the hang time on these earrings. These look super duper cute and affordable. So girl, get with the program. I love these. Okay, they also have, like I said, a huge variety of items. They also do have 3 different grades on their website when it comes to ordering the bag. They also have different grades for each bag. They have the original grade, the super grade, and the top grade. Now each item is definitely priced different. This, I do believe, is the lower end of the grades, meaning it's not as costly, but even the lower end, and you can tell by the price, they came out really, really nice. So like I said, this is $68 on usbags.ru. For $68, the quality of this is really, really nice. I actually do have the authentic ones as well, and very, very comparable, very, very nicely made, and super fast shipping. Before I also forget to mention, each bag does come with a dust bag, so that way you can keep your bag nice and clean and safe when not using it. So ladies, I will link everything down below for usbags.ru. Make sure you use my coupon code, and as well as that, if you need to talk to them or speak with them, they do have a WhatsApp as well. So on that note, I love y'all. Stay safe, stay blessed, and I'll see y'all in the next one.